Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. And today, as y'all read by the title, I am doing another clothing haul. This time I'm doing a Temu clothing haul. I think that's how you pronounce it, Temu. I never have ordered from this site, and I've been seeing a lot of rage about this on TikTok, Instagram, YouTube. Your girl's a little excited. I was like, let me get my feet wet, let me test the waters. I'll be honest, I didn't order too much because this is my first time trying them out. Okay, so here is my package. Everything came in this bag. Like I said, I didn't order too much. I maybe ordered like 7 or 8 items. So yeah, everything's in here and let's get into it. This is the first outfit, and guys, this looks really good. Like, the material is really nice. As y'all see, it's not like see-through or anything. It's actually pretty thick. Like, the material is pretty thick, and it hugs my body very well. It hugs it in all the right places. Like, this is everything. I'm loving the one shoulder, and it's kind of runched at the top, like, to give it, you know, a little detail. So that's cute. And you got 2 slits on the side, girl, so you could show the left leg, show the right leg. Don't mind my underwear if y'all can see them. I'm on my period, and this is just a try-on haul. This is not the real thing. So I'm gonna be honest, I'm gonna give this a 10 out of 10 because it is way better than what I expected. Like, y'all, I thought this was gonna be thin, see-through, wasn't gonna fit, but like, this looks really good. And this is a small as well. I'm gonna leave this in the box below. Very cute, very chic, very elegant. You could dress this up, dress it down. This could be a date fit, a brunch fit, like this is cute for a brunch, a dinner date, just depending on how you dress it up, dress it down. But I am not mad. I'm not mad. I also got this purse as well. I thought it was really cute and different. Like, and I was like, why not get a purse off there too? Like, let's see the quality. And girl, this is cute. Like, it's real edgy. It's definitely something I wouldn't usually go for, but I think it's real cute, and it could go cute with this outfit. Like, you can wear it 2 ways. You could wear it as a clutch. So like this, I'm wearing it right now. Has a little strap inside, and the inside is just black, y'all. Like, it's nothing special. So that's the strap. It looks kind of raggedy because it was balled up in the purse, but I think it's cute. We gonna let it sit out so it could get like its shape back. You can wear it on the shoulder like that. So little whoop-de-whoop, whoop, whoop, whoop. I don't know if this is like a dupe for another handbag. It's giving like maybe Balenciaga, I'm guessing. So y'all let me know if this is a dupe for like any luxury designer handbag or anything like that, because I honestly don't know. But yeah, this is really cute. But on to the next outfit. Oh, my hair looks so up. Okay, so this is the next outfit. I don't know if y'all can see the full thing, like my shoes and all that. This whole outfit, I'm probably gonna give it a 7. Like, I like it. Like, I like the whole idea of this top with some white shorts, with some white little sandal heels, but the shorts are too big, y'all. Like, I look like a box. Like, I look like SpongeBob SquarePants. These are too big, but I'm gonna give the top by itself a 10. Like, this is so cute. Let me walk up so y'all can see. Really cute. Like, look at the details. I love this orange. I love how it wrapped around the neck. The shorts are a strong 5. They're a strong 5. I think these heels are really cute, and they're actually comfortable. I got a 9.5 in these, but they're like fox croc, or fox snake, one of those, but really cute. I am not mad at it. I'm gonna give the top like a 10 out of 10. I love it. Give these like a 5, and I'm gonna give these shoes, I'm gonna give these like an 8. Makes sense. Like, I don't feel like it has a lot of structure right here. But other than that, they're very cute. I don't have no white heels. I feel like these would go with a lot of different outfits. Like, it's one of those basics that you need. All right, guys, so I got 3 more pieces. I didn't feel the need to try them on, so I'm just gonna hold them up and show it to y'all. These aren't pieces I would wear outside. This is more like houseware, lounging around, stuff like that. I got this neon top, and this is really, really cute. I mean, you could dress this up or dress this down, but the material is really nice. It's thick, stretchy. This is good quality, so I think it looks really good. I did get the extra small. And yeah, it's really cute. Like, I just got this because I figured it could be a basic. I could wear this at workouts. I could wear this around the house. Okay, so the next thing I got is these cute gold shorts. And I was like, these would be so cute just to walk around the house in, or if you at your man house and chill but still a big deal. These were so cute, and the quality is really good on these too, y'all. Like, it's thick, stretchy. Like, these are so, so cute. They have little pockets. And like I said, it stretches at the waistband. And I believe, yeah, these stretch a little bit as well too. So if you want my thick girlies, it's cool. Okay, so last but not least, I got 3 sets of earrings. And guys, these are so cute. Like, these are all hoops and they have different colors. So they have some gold, blue, green, purple. I thought these were cute as well. Like, these hoops are cute, and I am loving the pearls on these. Like, sometimes you need different type of earrings. Like, the same gold hoops is boring, like, for being honest. Like, sometimes that just gets old and boring. The last pair, and I thought these were super cute as well. Like, I'm really feeling green right now, especially with my hair being this color. Like, green looks super, super good. And I like how they had different sizes of the hoops. So they got some big, some little ones. I really like all these earrings. I think they're so cute. They all came in different styles. It's not the same generic gold hoops. I am very pleased with these. Like, these earrings are very nice. TMU did not come to play, okay? Guys, that is it for this clothing haul. I hope y'all enjoyed. All the information to these products will be in the box below, so check that out. Make sure to follow on my social medias. That is it for today's video. I hope y'all enjoyed, and I'll see y'all in my next video.